Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable picture-in-picture in VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable picture-in-picture in VLC, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to just open your VLC player. In this, you will find here tools. Click on that. Then click on preferences. After that, here you will find video. Tap on that. Here you will find window decorations. You have to just uncheck this option. In bottom you will find show setting options. In this you will find two options, simple and all. You have to just select all. In left side you will see the list. In this you have to just scroll down. Then click on videos. Come to the right side. In this you will find here always on top. By default it is unchecked. You have to just check mark this. Then click on save. Then close your VLC player and open it again. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable picture-in-picture mode in your VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.